Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Today we are going to witness the marvelous journey to Hanley from Leh. It is around 275 kilometers from Leh. A bit far. You need to travel very early to reach the destination. This requires intensive inner line permit that you have to apply in Leh itself. The journey starts from Leh to all the way to Hanley. Hanley has got the second largest Indian telescope maintained by Indian Institute of Astrophysics, which is controlled by Bangalore, India. So this telescope helps to see the planetary objects, the weather forecasting and etc. Luckily we got the inner line permit and we are on the way to this marvelous journey to Hanley. Hanley is a very remote area of Ladakh. Very remote. This is around roughly 275 kilometers from Leh and 95 kilometers from Mahe village. It actually passes through Neoma and Loma, two other villages. Today we have witnessed a huge snowfall. Luckily roads are still intact and we were able to travel across this mighty area. So we'll be reaching Hanley in a few hours. You can also see that the whole area is completely in snow. Very beautiful journey indeed, very chilled area, marvelous. So guys, watch this beautiful video to enjoy. Very few people travel to Hanley. There are two routes. You can either go from Pangong to Hanley or from Leh to Hanley. We have preferred, starting from Leh to Hanley. Very beautiful indeed. See the beautiful snow-capped mountains over here. A little bit tedious journey, but every view is magical. It's completely magical. Very beautiful indeed. So once we reach Hanley, we would go into the Hanley telescope. The telescope houses a very big telescope around 2 meters in diameter, and the overall population in Hanley village is around 1000 plus. Very remote village of India in the outskirts of the Leh. Very beautiful. See the nature guys, see the nature. The India is a diverse country. You can see right from the mountains to the sea. People say Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. So welcome to the diverse culture of India, and today being the Kargil Divas, so it's an auspicious day. We are presenting this video which will show you the Hanley. So you can see the vistas over here, beautiful vistas, the clear blue sky along with the snow-capped mountains. Very beautiful indeed. So guys, stay tuned. So we are about to reach the beautiful Hanley Observatory. So down below you can see the board Indian Astrophysics. Permit is really required to get into this telescope. You can see there is a permit office down below. We will verify the permits issued in Leh. So once the verification is completed, you will be allowed to climb this hill. So once we reach there, I will show you how beautiful this telescope is. This is one of the second largest telescope in the world, guys, and that's where we are going today. Very beautiful indeed, very beautiful. And this particular Hanley Observatory is also used by many countries to study the interplanetary motion. See here, you have a big telescope out there. The distant place you can see this telescope right on top of the hill. So this Hanley is actually an ideal place since the height is huge because of the highest area of this particular area. So we are able to witness this telescope, and it's a clear sky always. So that's why this place is a correct place to erect this telescope. Guys, we reached the telescope now. Enjoy. See the beautiful telescope in its entirety inside. Very hugely built, man, very hugely built. This telescope helps us to see the planets very closely, to study the planetary motions. It is being used. See the beautiful telescope out there. Very beautiful.
You can see a telescope behind. Damp chill, minus 19 degrees Celsius. Damp chill, minus 19 degrees Celsius.
So here we can see very border area. This fencing is actually a fencing of another airport in the Leh. This airport is maintained by the army officials, only useful for inter-country destinations. So this is a completely army controlled airbase maintained by the Indian Army. It's not visible from here, but you need to go across the fence. You need to have a very special permit to see that. So we are not going to see that. So now we are on the way to Ladakh, to Leh. It's a long, tedious journey, around 275 kilometers. I hope you enjoyed this remote video, especially on Kargil Divas. So see the beauty of this remote area, and welcoming every viewer to like, share and subscribe to this wonderful channel Himalayan Chronicles. So guys, stay tuned for more videos, more fun, more entertainment. So guys, once again, please press the bell icon to get all the notifications for new videos whenever they are available. Thanks once again. Upcoming videos will be available and you will be notified via the bell icon. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video in its fullest. Thank you once again. But one thing for sure, guys, Leh is a magical place. The more you come, the more you want. So that is the reason every tourist, once they reach Leh, they often come once again and again to witness the same places. So that's the reason I witnessed Leh in summer, winter, rainy, all the seasons in my lifetime. Wonderful place indeed, guys. Wonderful place. So now we are about to start and hit our highway to reach the Leh. Actually, I think it will take around many hours, around 8 to 9 hours to reach the Leh. Thanks.